Have you ever felt like your mind is a runaway train, constantly bombarded with thoughts, worries, and to-do lists? Like you're drowning in anxiety and stress, struggling just to breathe? I did, until I discovered something that completely transformed my life: meditation. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something incredibly personal and powerful. The mind-blowing meditation technique that changed everything for me. I'm going to share my personal story of how meditation helped me overcome debilitating anxiety and find peace in my life. For years, I was a mess. I was constantly stressed, struggling with anxiety, and felt like I was never truly present. My relationships were suffering, my work was suffering, and honestly, my mental health took a serious hit. I tried everything: therapy, medication, exercise, all helpful, but nothing quite clicked. Then I stumbled upon meditation. Maybe you can relate. Maybe you're feeling overwhelmed by stress, your mind racing with thoughts that won't quiet down. Maybe you're struggling to focus at work or finding it hard to fall asleep at night. Maybe you're just feeling off. That was me, and I was irritable, exhausted, and constantly on edge. I knew I needed something to change, and I started searching for something that could help. The problem is, in today's world, we're constantly bombarded with stimuli, notifications, emails, social media. It's all designed to grab our attention and keep us hooked. This constant stimulation overloads our brains and makes it incredibly difficult to find calm and inner peace. One day, a friend suggested I try meditation. Honestly, I was skeptical. I thought it was all chanting and incense, something I just wasn't into, but I was desperate, so I gave it a shot. I started with a simple guided meditation app. At first, I couldn't even sit still for 5 minutes. My mind was all over the place, but I stuck with it, and slowly something started to shift. I began to notice the space between my thoughts, the pauses in my anxiety. I started to feel a sense of calm I hadn't felt in years. It wasn't a miracle cure, but it was the beginning of a transformation. So what exactly is meditation? Let's clear up some misconceptions. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind. It's about training your mind to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about becoming aware of the present moment, rather than getting caught up in the past or worrying about the future. It's about finding that inner peace within yourself. It's a mindfulness practice. Think of it like this. Your mind is a lake. When it's calm, you can see clearly to the bottom. But when it's agitated, stirred up by stress and anxiety, the water becomes murky and you can't see anything. Meditation is like letting the sediment settle, allowing the water to become clear again. It's about observing your thoughts without judgment and letting them pass. The specific meditation technique that really resonated with me is a simple mindfulness practice focused on the breath. Here's how I do it and how you can too. This is a great beginner's guide. First, find a quiet space. Choose a place where you won't be disturbed. It could be your bedroom, a park bench, or even just a quiet corner of your office. Next, sit comfortably. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down. The key is to be comfortable and supported. Now close your eyes, optional. Closing your eyes can help reduce distractions. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or belly. Acknowledge your thoughts. As you meditate, your mind will wander. That's perfectly normal. When you notice your thoughts drifting, gently acknowledge them without judgment and redirect your attention back to your breath. Don't beat yourself up about it. It's part of the daily practice. And finally, start small. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. I know what you're thinking. I can't meditate. My mind is too busy. Trust me, I felt the same way, but the beauty of meditation is that it's a practice. It gets easier with time. Busy mind. It's okay if your mind wanders. The key is to gently redirect your attention back to your breath each time it happens. Lack of time. Even just 5 minutes of meditation can make a difference. Squeeze it in during your lunch break, before bed, or first thing in the morning. I use sleep meditation as well, restlessness. If you can't sit still, try walking meditation. Simply focus on the sensation of your feet making contact with the ground as you walk. So, what are the benefits of meditation? For me, the transformation has been incredible. I experience significant stress relief and I have less anxiety. Here are some of the ways meditation has changed my life. Reduced anxiety and stress. Meditation helps calm the nervous system and reduce the production of stress hormones, improved focus and concentration. By training your mind to focus on the present moment, you'll find it easier to concentrate on tasks and stay focused throughout the day. Better sleep. Meditation can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep, leading to deeper and more restful sleep. Increased emotional well-being. Meditation helps you become more aware of your emotions and develop a greater sense of self-compassion. Enhanced creativity. By quieting the mind, meditation can create space for new ideas and insights to emerge. Better relationships. When you're less stressed and more present, you'll be better able to connect with others and build stronger relationships. If you're ready to give meditation a try, there are tons of resources available to help you get started. Meditation apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer offer guided meditations for beginners and experienced meditators alike. YouTube is a treasure trove of free guided meditations and instructional videos. Consider joining a local meditation center or class to learn from experienced teachers and connect with other practitioners. There are countless books on meditation that can provide you with a deeper understanding of the practice. The key to experiencing the benefits of meditation is consistency. Here are a few tips for building a daily practice. Treat meditation like any other important appointment and schedule it into your day. Begin with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Meditate with a friend or family member or join an online meditation community. It takes time and effort to develop a meditation practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep practicing and you will start to see the benefits. Meditation has been a complete game changer for me. It's helped me overcome anxiety, reduce stress, and find a deeper sense of peace and calm in my life. I truly believe it can do the same for you. If you're struggling with mental health issues, I hope this helps you too. Don't be afraid to try it. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Remember, the journey to a calmer, more peaceful mind starts with a single breath. So are you ready to unlock the mind-blowing power of meditation? Don't let anxiety and stress control your life any longer. Take control. Take the first step towards a calmer, happier, and more fulfilling you right now. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content on mental health and well-being. And most importantly, commit to just 5 minutes of meditation today. Just 5 minutes to begin your own transformation. Your mind, your body, and your soul will thank you for it. Share your experiences in the comments below. I want to hear how meditation is changing your life. Now go meditate and remember, you are worth the effort.